Are you an entrepreneur looking to supercharge your business in 2025? What if I told you that there are AI tools that can help you streamline your operations, boost productivity, and even outsmart your competition, all with just a few clicks? Today, I'm revealing the top 5 AI tools that every entrepreneur should be using in 2025. Stick around, because one of these might just be the game changer your business needs. Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and on this channel, we talk about everything you need to grow your business smarter, not harder. And today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind in the business world: AI tools that are revolutionizing how entrepreneurs are working in 2025. As the world of business evolves, so do the tools we use. In 2025, AI isn't just a nice-to-have. It's a must-have for anyone looking to scale their business effectively. Whether you're an experienced entrepreneur or just starting out, these AI tools will help you automate tasks, save time, and make smarter decisions. So, let's jump right into it. Tool number 1, ChatGPT, your virtual business assistant. First up is one of the most popular AI tools around right now, and it's about to get even more powerful in 2025. I'm talking about ChatGPT, which you've probably already heard of. But did you know you can use it to handle a whole range of tasks in your business? Whether it's writing emails, generating content for your website, or even crafting social media posts, ChatGPT can save you hours each week. Imagine this. You're working on a new blog post, and instead of staring at a blank page, you ask ChatGPT to generate an outline or write a draft for you. You tweak it, and boom, content is ready in minutes. It's like having a 24/7 employee who never needs a break. In 2025, the new advancements in AI will make ChatGPT even smarter. So it's not just a writing tool, it's an all-in-one business assistant. Tool number 2, Jasper AI for content marketing mastery. Next, we have Jasper AI, another game-changing tool for entrepreneurs, especially if content marketing is a big part of your strategy. Jasper's special power? It's designed specifically for marketers. So, if you're looking to create engaging blog posts, ads, landing pages, or email campaigns, Jasper makes it so easy. Why does it stand out? Well, Jasper understands context. It doesn't just create generic content. It creates copy that sounds natural and speaks directly to your audience. If you've ever struggled to find the right words to sell your product or explain your service, Jasper can help you turn those struggles into successes in no time. Tool number 3, Notion AI, the ultimate productivity tool. Let's move on to a tool that's not just about writing. It's about organizing and managing your entire business. Notion AI is like having a supercharged digital notebook, but with the power of AI. It can help you organize tasks, keep track of projects, and even generate summaries or research to make your work easier. Whether you're running a team or managing a solo venture, Notion can help you create a centralized hub for all your ideas, documents, and to-do lists. And with AI, it can even suggest improvements for your workflows or automate certain tasks, saving you even more time. Tool number 4, Zapier, automating your business workflows. Now, if you're looking for a tool to automate your business processes, look no further than Zapier. This tool connects your apps and automates repetitive tasks, so you don't have to do the boring stuff anymore. Imagine this. You get a new email subscriber, and Zapier automatically adds them to your email marketing platform. Or, if you get a new sale, Zapier can automatically update your CRM system, send a thank you email, and even notify your team. In 2025, Zapier will integrate even more apps, meaning more automation. So there you have it. The top 5 AI tools for entrepreneurs in 2025. These tools are going to help you streamline your business operations, boost your productivity, and stay ahead of the competition. AI isn't the future, it's the present, and in 2025, it's going to be an even bigger part of how we run our businesses. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, Start exploring these AI tools and see how they can make your life easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming business tips and tech recommendations. Also, drop a comment below. Let me know which AI tool you're most excited to try, or if you're already using one of these, share your experience.